Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are into missing views and we are right now working on P23 practice sheet number 23 and we are solving problem number 22 and one more problem. So at the moment problem number 22 is there in front of us. You can have a look. This is problem number 22. So there is one object shown. This is the front view of the object and this is the top view of the object. Now as we have discussed earlier, what we have to do is we have to observe the object in vertical line and match and see what happens. So this is the front view, this is the top view below. So you can see that whatever is shown here, that is to match with whatever is shown down here in the top view. So as you see here, there is a pipe. There is a pipe-like shape shown here. So that pipe-like shape is matching with this shape. So when you start matching, you have to match this view with this view. You can see here there is some kind of a pipe. So that pipe is shown here with its outside diameter and inside diameter. Then that means this much part you have interpreted it. Then you can see there is something here which is again looking like a pipe. The sizes are also given. Some diameter inside diameter is given 20, outside diameter is shown here as 30. So this again is a kind of a pipe shape that is shown here and here in the top view and the front view. So you can imagine there are two pipes, they are connected at 90 degrees. Their axis are at 90 degrees, and then there is some kind of a flange is here connecting to this pipe and this pipe. So this flange is shown by these lines, and between the flange and the pipe there is a rib like this. So this rib is again shown here by the dotted lines, and at the same time, like what we have discussed earlier, there is some kind of a opening here, and that opening is shown over here by diameter 10 and diameter 5. So this diameter 5 hole is there. Most probably this kind of a hole is meant for pouring oil into this particular place. There could be some shaft which is rotating and the friction is avoided by pouring oil from here. So this is the figure as what it is shown. Now what we do is we can have a look at the other figure, which is the drawing shown in isometric. So what we are supposed to do is we should be able to imagine how this part is made up of, and then we are going to draw these particular views as what they are shown here. You can read them again. Sectional front view, section AB. So when you cut the top view from here, this is section AB. So when you cut from here, whatever is shown that you have to draw here, that means the front view will be modified into sectional front view. Now when you do that, there will be section lines here by keeping some space for this hole. There will be again section lines here. This rib will go, this flange will go, it will start something like a T shape. So section lines will be here, and then the section lines will continue like this, and then they will continue in this place. There will not be any section lines into this rib because the rib is cut along its plane. So that will be your sectional front view. Then when you go to the sectional top view, you have to cut the front view from here. So after cutting the front view from here and removing this part, you have to draw the lower part. So as a result, this pipe will be exposed after it is cutting. So this part is shown in section. This will also be shown in section. This rib which is below, which will be seen as a dotted line, but then we don't draw dotted lines. Therefore this will not be seen. You have to draw just the outline of this and then the outline of this pipe. Even these dotted lines also you are not supposed to draw. That is the sectional top view, section CD. Now how the object looks like, that is shown over here. So this pipe is here. This other horizontal pipe is here. Now this rib, this flange which is there, this kind of a flange is shown here. And this rib which is there, that rib is shown like this. Then there is an oil hole here, that oil hole is shown over here. So this is the way the figure is drawn, isometric figure. Of course you are not asked to draw the figure as such, but then this is what you are supposed to imagine before you start the work. And after you imagine, this will be in front of your eyes when you imagine, and then according to this imagination you have to draw the figures what are asked here. Sectional front view, then the sectional top view, and then the missing view is left hand side view. That means this object when you see from the left side, whatever you see that you have to draw on the right side. So this object when I am seeing in this direction, what I will see is, I will see this pipe from its front view like a circle. So you can now see here there is a pipe like this. So this pipe is this shape, then there is a rib down here which is shown here. This flange which is there on either side, so that flange is having same width as that of pipe. So that flange is shown here, and it is touching here. The top surface is merging with the circular shape here, and then the lower surface is here. Now this figure is not drawn with any scale, so you may not get the exact proportions, but then the lower surface of this is shown over here, and it is touching to the vertical rib, forming a T shape here. So this is a T shape, and this rib is here. This rib is touching here, tangential. So as you can see here, this point it is tangential at this place. So you have to draw the tangential rib by drawing these small arcs at the end. So this becomes your say left hand side view. This oil hole which is shown there, that will come like this. Now this is a section, this is the view. So you have to, now it is not shown, but you have to draw dotted lines here. Now these dotted lines are corresponding to the opening of the hole over here. So that you have to draw here. And here when you draw the sectional front view here, that time one hole is intersected by another hole. So this is a case of intersection of two surfaces. So as we have seen earlier, there will be one small arc which will come at this place. So when you draw, I'll just bring you here again. At this place, there will be small arc that will be drawn to show the intersection of two cut surfaces. So that becomes the first figure or the first exercise, that is exercise number 22. You can refer to the earlier assignment that are given, and from that you can take out this figure and have a close look at the dimensions, and with those dimensions you can draw. The dimensions may not be visible here, but then the figure over here is meant for the purpose of explanation of the given views. So that was missing views, practice sheet number 23, first figure, which is serial number 22. Now let's go to the other figure, that is the other exercise, that is page 28. So as you can see now here, there is a figure shown like this, again by two views. So you can see this as a front view of the object, and then the top view of the object is shown like this over here. Now again, when you start examining, you have to examine the parts in the vertical line. So like this is what is shown here, the corresponding part in the top view is shown here. So you have to try to understand these two figures and see how the shape is. So as you see here, there is again something like a pipe shown here which is touching to the rib. So this is a rib touching to the pipe from above as well as from below. So that is the rib over here, and then the dimensions are also shown. Then on this side there is one more pipe like shape there. So this pipe like shape you can observe over here by two outside lines and two inside lines which are dotted. There are some more lines also there. So you can see there is one T shape formed here. Now this T shape is formed because of this and this plate. This is a rib and this is a vertical support. So this support and this rib together, when they are touching each other, they are making a T shape here which is shown at this place. So this is a pipe whose length is, you can see here, 110. 110 is the width of this support, and 5 and 5, 10 mm on either side, 5 plus 5, total 10 mm. So the total width is 110 plus 10. So you can see here 120. So the width of this pipe like shape is 120, and 5 mm less if you make from either side, then 110 becomes the width of this vertical support. So vertical support 110 and the pipe is 120. So therefore there is a 5 mm space over here. So that vertical support comes down, and then it is forming a bracket like this, and to this bracket at this place you can see there are two such holes with a raised surface, and this extended part is 6 mm above this level. So you can see one step over here. So this surface is above. So with this imagination, when you start imagining this figure, then you will observe the figure that is already shown there. I'll just take you closer to that. So you can see the figure looks like this. So this is one pipe which is, this horizontal pipe is here, vertical pipe shown here, that is at this place, and then the two are connected by a rib. So this is a rib by which the two are connected. This is a vertical support, this is a horizontal place there, and then the rib on the other side, this rib. So this rib is here, and then on both sides, as you see here, on the both sides there is an extension, and then there is a raised surface here and one more raised surface on the other side with a hole over here, maybe for the purpose of fitting. And this surface is above by 6 millimeters. What is shown over here, this is not in level, slightly above it is, so it is drawn like this. So that becomes the explanation for whatever is shown over here for the purpose of imagining this part. So after you do that, let us see what is asked here. It is asked to draw sectional front view section AA. So this top view, when you cut from here, the given front view will be modified into a sectional front view. So when you do that, this pipe is cut, this pipe is also cut, this is a vertical support, this is a horizontal support, so both are cut. So the section lines will be there all over this place, inside this, up to here, leaving this hole. And on this side, the section lines will be there all along the surface of this particular hole. No section lines in this rib, no section lines in this rib. That becomes your sectional front view, section AA. Then there is sectional top view, which is section BB. So for that you have to cut the part from this like this. So this is called as a zigzag section, cut from here and also cut from here. So as a result, both these pipes you can cut and get their views over here. So when you draw them, first thing is this pipe will be shown in sections over here and over here. Now this rib which is shown right now up to here, that will not be seen because it is cut, and the section lines will be at this place and then over here also. Now the same section lines will open into this place, which is this pipe. So the two side surfaces of the pipe which are cut here and here. So one strip will be here consisting of section lines, one more strip will be here consisting of section lines for this, and after that the rib will continue. This surface of the rib is still visible, it is not cut, as you can see here, it is not cut. So it will be seen like this with a line coming at this place, exactly the place where the rib is cut by the sectional plane, somewhere here. See, this is a circle and this is the cutting plane. 1 minute, I'll show you closer. You can see this is the point on the circle and this is another point on the rib. So there are 2 points different there. So when you show here the section line, you have to draw one line over here, which is not here, which is not along with the circle line. Along with the circle line, it is slightly in front by this much amount. Whatever is this small place, this much amount, there will be one more line, and this section lines over here will continue up to that line, slightly going forward. Rest of the rib, it is not cut. So this part you have to draw like this without cut, and this is seen to the extent that is seen. Whatever is hidden, such kind of dotted lines, they are not to be drawn. Now all this, when you look at this object, it will be clear what is happening in the given sectional views. So we are asked to draw the sectional front view and then the sectional top view by cutting the object partly from here and partly from here, so that both these pipes are equally cut. Then the next is the missing view. So in this case, the left hand side view becomes the missing view. That means this object, when you see from the left side, that means from here when you see to the front view, whatever you see, that you have to draw on the right side of the figure, that is called the left hand side view. So that view is already there, it's with us. So you can have a look at this view. So this object I am seeing in this direction. In fact, there is some correction here. This is left hand side view shown. It is asked, but you have to draw the right hand side view. Make some correction here. This is right hand side view. That is asked, and what is drawn here is also a right hand side view. So this figure, when you see from this direction, when you see, this is how it will be seen. So in that case, this pipe which will go behind, this rib will also go behind, but incidentally this rib and this rib, they are of same thickness. So when you see in this direction, this rib will be seen, therefore this rib is drawn as dark, and then this rib ends here, but this rib goes till the lower surface. So these two dotted lines correspond to this rib. and here both the ribs are coinciding, so we are going by the front rib, so therefore these lines are drawn as continuous lines. And this is the pipe, the smaller pipe which is behind, this is a larger pipe which is shown over here. And then at the base there are two such raised surfaces, they are shown like this, and they have got holes here, these holes are opening here, and you can see there is a difference in the surface by 6 mm. So these holes will come out from here, and this surface is still there which is below. So when you draw these dotted lines, see that the dotted lines will end here. That means at this surface. They should not be drawn till this surface because they are not here, they are in this plate. So this is the right hand side view of the given figure. You can also remember that wherever the rib touches as a tangent over here, so at this place you can see here the rib is touching as a tangent, so you have to draw small arcs here at the end to show that they are touching as tangent parts, tangent ribs. So that is how the right hand side view you have to draw. So at this place over here, what is shown is right hand side view. Maybe we can make some small change here. So I just so that is the right hand side view what we have drawn. So this completes the description for missing views practice sheet number 23. We are drawing two figures. One is this figure and the other figure is this one. So these two figures you have to draw. You have to draw the three views for each of the two figures. So 6 total figures you have to draw, 6 views you have to draw, and we have given the necessary explanation for both these exercises. So this will be your practice sheet number 23 which needs to be drawn. Now when you draw, you have to show that, see that the dimensions are also shown so that the entire figure will be clear how it is made up of. So all the necessary dimensions are to be shown, and you have to also write below the figure the title of the figure, that is sectional front view, section AB, sectional top view, section CD, left hand side view. All these things you have to draw near the figure, especially below the figure. So keep a note of all this. Draw the section lines at 45 degrees as a general rule, and you have to draw the figures with proper continuous lines, proper dotted lines, and the dimension lines you have to draw as medium lines. Center lines you have to draw also as medium lines as per the usual dimensions and as per the usual conventions for the preparation of any of the drawings. So this is the explanation for your practice sheet number P23.